Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth review and a comparison review about these two platforms, which is Insightly and ClickUp. So we're going to dive into the overview, the strength and the weakness of this platform to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with a quick overview, Insightly is a CRM platform that blends customer relationship management with a workflow automation and project management targeted at SMBs that needs to manage both sales and post-sales execution. On the other side, ClickUp is primarily a work and project management platform, but with CRM-like capabilities through custom field views and automations ideas for teams that want to manage everything in one place. Now, talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, starting with Insightly, revealing the strength, it has a purpose-built CRM with a lead opportunity and pipeline tracking, together with a project and tax management. It also integrates with G Suite, Outlook, and major tools. And here's a quick weakness about this platform, which is the downside. It has a limited customization compared to ClickUp. The UI feels outdated and can be slow, and also the reporting isn't as flexible without upgrade. Now, talking about ClickUp on the other side, revealing the strength, it has an extremely customizable pipeline status field and also combines CRM, task management, and Go. The powerful automation and real-time collaboration, which is super awesome. Now, on the other side, revealing the downside, not a traditional CRM needs setup and tweaking. No native sales automations features like leads, scoring, or contact timelines. Now, here's a quick overall conclusion. So, if you want a more structured CRM experience with built-in project capabilities, especially if you have a focused on managing leads through to a fulfillment, you can just choose Insightly. Then on the other side, if you need a flexibility and you want to create a full custom CRM workflow hybrid inside a powerful productivity platform, just go for ClickUp. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.